Said, starting with you, please. Jyotsna, welcome. Sanju, welcome. Pankaj, welcome.
Before Pankaj Sharma ji starts, I just want to end with one point. To all the Swati Chaturvedis, Arfa Khanum Sherwanis and Rohini Singhs who've been gloating about Galgotias, Rahul Gandhi, shame on you. Pawan Khera, shame on you. Jairam Ramesh, shame on you. Supriya Srinath, shame on you. Jobless YouTubers supporting Darbari ecosystem, shame on you. And those YouTubers masquerading as political analysts, shame on you. And this has nothing to do with Pankaj Sharma ji. I respect him. आप बोलिए सर अभी क्या आप सपोर्ट करते हैं जो आज हुआ?
वो नहीं करते हैं actually. He's broken rights.
Let me make it clear that these agitated youngsters could have adopted some.
They don't look like youngsters to me.
I mean, they could have adopted some better.
Rahul Gandhi is becoming senior citizen in 3 years. Maybe you call him a youngster also. नहीं youngster नहीं कौन की youngster है? This is like calling Kanhaiya Kumar a student.
But these youngsters,
firstly, they are very unfit also.
Inverted comma, they have every right of a peaceful protest. If anyone is fed up.
How is this a peaceful protest? Pankaj, I'll tell you, just to intervene, I'll tell you, intervene, take these pictures full frame, the where, you know, people are fed up. हिंदी में जैसे कहते हैं, जूते पड़ रहे हैं कांग्रेस वालों को. क्योंकि people are angry. जूते पड़ रहे हैं कांग्रेस वालों को because after this goes on, a man with a backpack is seen trying to snatch the t-shirts from the Congress workers. There's a verbal altercation. The people come and physically remove these Congress walas. The people, one of them starts thrashing him, saying बहुत कुछ ज्यादा हो रहा है. So you know, Congress people are being hated, Pankaj.
People are fed up with the overall conduct of the ruling dispensation in last more than 11 years. So there is nothing wrong in raising the voice. Every citizen should actually be duty bound to raise the issues of most public importance, even during the Global AI Summit. Why not? Despite the fact that AI Global Summit was a hugely mismanaged photo op event, and in reality a highly swollen balloon.
No, it was not a Photoshop. In fact, we got more than $375 billion worth of investments, Pankaj ji. Lagbhag 500.
I have also heard all this blah, blah, blah. These young people were not protesting against the artificial intelligence or AI summit. They were protesting against the artificiality of the ruling dispensation, the superficiality with which the things are being done by our government for the last more than a decade.
Shirtless. Is this the way to protest? आप अपनी बनियान में शर्ट उतार कर आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ये कोई तरीका है? सभ्य समाज में ये प्रोटेस्ट करने का कौन सा तरीका है? बताइए.
BJP walas also have protested. Shirtless protests were there by BJP walas in public and even in the assemblies. So this is nothing new.
Two wrongs make a right. Are you saying two wrongs make a right? Are you saying बीजेपी जो करेगी कांग्रेस वही करेगी? बीजेपी के नक्शे कदम पर आप चल रहे हैं, मुझे जानकर खुशी हुई. But BJP is also about grand vision. BJP is also about seamless execution. BJP is also about Narendra Modi's leadership. नरेंद्र मोदी की लीडरशिप को क्यों इमिटेट नहीं करते राहुल गांधी? जब देखो सैर सपाटे के लिए चले जाते हैं, कभी मलेशिया, कभी वियतनाम, कभी म्यांमार, कभी मस्कट, कभी इटली, कभी जर्मनी. इज ही अ सीरियस पॉलिटिशियन और इज ही अ किंडरगार्टनर? नर्सरी के बच्चों में भी ज्यादा आईक्यू होती है और तमीज होती है. पंकज शर्मा जी,
with Rahul ji is too much. See, these people, these youngsters, they I think wanted to make a point that on the one hand we are entering into an ambitious era of AI, and on the other hand there is serious need to focus on the contradictions such as the problems of unemployment. 80 crore people are compelled
India on a global stage
to feed themselves on free rations. This is also a ground situation.
Why do you hate India so much? In your hatred for Narendra Modi, you have started hating India. You have started hating the fact that we are the world's fourth largest global economy. You've started hating the fact that we have the world's fifth largest stock market.
Nobody hates India.
automobile producer.
Modi, please, Narendra Bhai Modi is not India. He is not the nation. Nobody hates him also. I mean, if there are questions on his conduct, on his policies, on his the way he deals with the things, it should not be taken as people are.
पंकज जी मेरा एक प्रश्न है पंकज जी आपसे सर मेरा एक प्रश्न है आपसे सर आई एम ए प्रोफेसर I teach engineering students. Okay, I was also a placement officer and I dealt with how to employ students, improving their employability, capability and everything, sir. Okay. I give a small, I'll tell you a small thing, sir. अगर आप इन लोगों को यंगस्टर्स बोल रहे हो, राइट, आई एक्सेप्ट योर पॉइंट. मैं अर्नब जी से भी यहाँ पे डिफर करती हूँ, सर दे आर यंगस्टर्स. आपको ये लगता है सर इनका ये जो रवैया, इनका आज का ये जो एटीट्यूड एंड वॉट एवर हाउ दे हैव कैरीड देमसेल्व्स, will it help them in their career, sir? Do you really think so? It will help them in their career? Do you really think so? Sir, और एक और चीज है पंकज जी, आपको कौन से एंगल से ये डेमोक्रेटिक डिसेंट लगता है पंकज जी? प्लीज बताइए. सर, do you really feel? Sir, this is absolutely not, democratic dissent. It is political obstructionism of the lowest order, sir. I'm sorry.
Peaceful. It was a democratic dissent.
And it is deeply embarrassing.
It was totally peaceful.
सर आप सर डोंट सपोर्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ सपोर्टिंग. आपको ये लगता है जहां पे भी एक इवेंट हो रहा है उस इवेंट में यंगस्टर्स के नाम पे ये लोग आके ऐसा एक एम्बैरेसिंग सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं फॉर द कंट्री. फॉरगेट अबाउट मोदी जी, फॉरगेट अबाउट you and
can I say one thing?
Forget about Arnab ji.
Can I say one thing?
Sir,
can I say one thing? The only